Yo guys, look at that. My coins and gems are going crazy. They're actually going up right now. This is insane, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it too. Alright, no intro, let's get straight into it. Grab your phone and follow these steps carefully. They're super important. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down a bit and look for apps or applications. That's where we start. Now, tap the search icon at the top and type DLS. That's the game we're gonna tweak. Once you open the game settings, scroll down and tap on battery. This part is super important. Inside the battery section, make sure to change the option to unrestricted. That's what keeps the hack running smoothly. Now open your Chrome browser and pay close attention here. We're heading into Chrome settings. Tap the three dots up top, then hit settings. Right here guys, follow me. After that, go into privacy and security. Now scroll down and tap on do not track. Go inside and make sure this option is turned off. Alright, we're good so far, and as you can see, this is the link I'll be using. You can copy it and head straight there, and yeah, this is exactly what the site looks like. Once you're in guys, focus here. You'll see multiple versions available. Just pick the same one I'm choosing right now. This is the one. So as you can see, this is the interface we want, and right here it's asking for some game info. Let me show you exactly how to get it. Stay focused guys. Alright chums, once you paste the info and move forward, the site will start analyzing your account and device. Then it'll let you choose the resources you want. But hold up, before picking your resources, you need to select the correct version of the game installed on your phone. So watch closely and follow me. As you can see, this is the version I have on my phone, so make sure to check yours too. The version can change, and if you choose the wrong one, it won't work. Alright champs, now hit that orange button and let's keep it moving. Super simple. Now the site's just verifying your device, and right after that it'll let you pick your resources. Alright, I'm picking the resources right now, and these are the ones I recommend guys, so just follow my lead and keep going. Alright, setup's done. Now for the final step, just hit the orange button and wait while it connects to the server. Oh, finally, one last step and we've got the resources my friends. There are 2 human verification servers here, super easy stuff. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to finish it. The tasks are super easy guys, seriously. It could be something like answering a short survey, downloading an app from Google Play or the App Store, or even just entering your email and confirming it's yours. Nothing complicated at all, just follow the instructions, take your time, and once you complete 2 of them, you're done. Oh, look at that, it's adding super fast. The method actually worked guys, this is insane.